Okay, so we're back. We got the intake solenoid, the new one right here. The new one, very similar, same thing. So I'll go ahead and exchange this. This should fix my engine light after I've already replaced the valve timing solenoids. I did already pry these off. Let's see. Pry those off with a flathead screwdriver. You can't. Don't ever try to pull them because you'll rip them. Make sure I don't lose this screw, of course. Hold on to it tight. Okay, that's it right there. So bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom. What did I just do? So bam, here comes another one. Fantastic. I hope this fixed the problem. Bam. Very quick and easy. I did already unplug the battery and all that. So go ahead and make sure you put these back in the right inlets. And you connect this bad boy. Alright, so that is it. Okay, you see there, brand new replacement of the intake solenoid, brand new valve timing solenoids. Now it should work. It should turn my engine light off, hopefully. So let me hook this battery back up. Very simple. One of the easiest things I ever did on the car was just replace that. So there it is. Let me take everything off the engine. You see I do got my beer right there. No product placement, but 2 for 5 field days are okay. Yep. Wow. So hopefully I'll be right back. I'm gonna check my oil, and then I'll be back to start it. And start. Engine light is still on. Engine light is still on. Damn. Hopefully I'm gonna try to run it. So maybe I gotta drive it for a little bit. Maybe it'll turn on. Gotta go put some gas. Shit. So I'm gonna let it run, warm up, and then I'm gonna disconnect the battery, the negative, and see if I can reset it, and we'll see what happens. But the engine light's still on. I'll be back with another conclusion, I guess.